was your more latest update from court Eba. And I say a year and some chama Wontumi. And a chama Wontumi copy more court Nede NSC. It's part of Operation Recover All Loot. Abusia, you know, say script be at the screen anymore. Maybe they won't come on actual. Na a Operation Recover All Loot on my page on Facebook. And as I say, we are ready to now on my court update on cases. Now, then you answer court today. Benedict Busiaku, aka Chama Wontumi, has called former Western Regional Minister Honorable Kwabena Okyere as his defense witness in the case of Republic versus Bernard Busiaku. Now, Abusia, Honorable Okyere West or former Western Regional Minister, or also a current incumbent member of Parliament. Bear in mind. Now, me was saying this follows an order on what defense his next defense witness or Chama to medication because this follow an order by the court last Thursday. That is last Thursday, no, and a court today order and man say honorable Okyere Western Regional Minister former say Mp Okyere say May 21st, asking the accused person to call any further witness by Thursday, May 28, 2026, or in default, file address for judgment. Now, the witness was led in evidence in chief by lawyer for the accused and the appeal committee. State prosecutors began cross-examination by asking the witness only one question for the day. The witness' mouth has been sealed for the Deputy Attorney General to continue with the cross-examination. And that's not just say, Yura Okyere or former Western Regional Minister. Was I a year incumbent MP? Yes, incumbent MP. Na Onona Chama Wontumi afano as prosecutor defense witness. Nti abusua we ni ensema ekopie mo court. Yenkuti Kevin Taylor member.
No, this way. To the court, and I Okyere DC, and the Omabeka Bibia Anche. During the cross-examination, the smart and intelligent Deputy Attorney General, Justice Shrimsai, detected that Wontumi was reading from a red paper smuggled to him allegedly by the court interpreter against the rules in trials and complained openly to judge. Immediately, Wontumi denied, but the judge, in quote, ordered for a search. Yes, time na Attorney General Shrimsai, Deputy Attorney General to Wontumi ano. Omo sekrata akoko bi hye ho. Wontumi answer na nipa odema eye Wontumi say onsa fa amfa sakrata ne hye no na eye court interpreter. Hey, our justice system, we need to look at it very well. Wontumi questions ano no. Court interpreter no smuggle a red paper ya chro answers bi agum. Ena yedima or smuggle the ma Wontumi na hye Wontumi ho adaka nim. Ena Wontumi aye say yes. True. 3 points. Wontumi, were you wearing red boxers? False. Give it for Wontumi. Enti dena Wontumi aye say when we are the krata man or court or interpreter no so ko jail by 10 years. Now yanking kind into ho and a court judge in the case that be mon search Wontumi sisiania yi Wontumi dross pram and ye dey sanam no hwase ye hwehwe paper no bema tintin gram wo ehyen and akwa no oba na e oba police no ho na say ombo Wontumi search and o yi Wontumi belt no to twene ye and obi en zip se and o dwagu wo gra and o de nsa no also Wontumi ni benyina no and o pagya yes, in some way, go to any gender about any man said the abono. So one niasra neutralization. And police ni ban and a judge say, search him. Sandra na Wontumi or curtains, Moka saw white curtains be. And now my mina so to a boppo me I want ne curtains no. And my minister and a no dry a dra Wontumi as a boxers, actually I'm a piano. the boxers no designer no yɛfɛ no amapiano ɛna maame no ɛstart sɛ ɔbɔ Wontumi search ɔde ne nsa nenam no ha bepi ha na ɔde fa no na motuom ɛna ɔsɔ Wontumi bɛmam na ɔsɔ mu sei na ɔpagya na ɔhwɛ aseɛ ɛdeɛn na yɛkɔhwɛ a Wontumi abobɔ krataa hyɛ no hwɛ ase the Ghana ye Jimmy too. God's comedy channel. Ye Jimmy brutal. My many boss search. When so your plan bay, open your Wontumi benin. People no tiadi nasi no say. Mapo, ibazin hoshasi we mapo. It's ye kwe the moment can guy. And my many born search. This got the interpreter also angry and denied knowledge of the contents in a small sheet. In the interpreter na or the paper na Wontumi share the shwasia. Mami police no opeja mapo ni benin no kada ibazo no shasi mapo no. Yes interpreter no so ni bu ofu adentra. Yes or no the paper ma eye Wontumi. Now uko enima say this got the interpreter also angry and denied knowledge of the contents in a small sheet. The judge got angry after it was revealed by the interpreter that the small folded sheet was given to Wontumi secretly by his lawyer via a court staff during the cross-examination without being detected by anyone in the court. Interhona interpreter so ekasene mekano kre. Krata kokɔ na ɛhyɛ Wontumi ne hwanasen ɛyɛ court fo ni bi ɛna lawyer na eye apia kubi kronfo no apia kubi na de ma court ni ba ko se mo mfama Wontumi wa adaka nim interpreter ne ka che judge ne se eye apia kubi na moamoa krata na wa chrochro answers wo mu e na de ma ne court ni ba ko na ode fa akire de ma Wontumi abra court ni bia obi a wo court o nipa o yedwuma ko obi ehu. The red piece of paper was retrieved from Wontumi and given to the judge, who, after inspecting, forwarded it to Deputy Attorney General to verify the content, which has link with the questions he was asking Wontumi. Intiasi, omuchi Wontumi no, ena eye den, eye judge no, eje paper no, okache eye police ni ban say fa paper ne mam. And also a paper ni mu demi. And set paper na she Wontumi hwase. And why fin and odema a yes srem side. In the srem side so amper problem no. And no yini hanky no de na done evidence. Why done evidence? Wontumi is a pop star. And a srem side so be into the hanky. And a man a yedi and gloves so be and then OJ Simpson case. And no ready here. Now I say the work tadi muno. Na a appear could be and a church a podia man say, Obusa where can we? Obusa where can we? And a srem psychiatrist just I am pa. In some na yatro gu krata no so no e yen sama mi busa yatro apa ma Wontumi se onyi ano inti ho na judge ni hwe Wontumi enim inti ho na Wontumi start se osu me eso osu sa ponche osu ade ayaje na Paul won fama Paul mam mamen police nyin wabomu Wontumi inti sa asem we se eye mfantini na ekan news na anka mo bete se andre nwumre eye Cape Coast FM na omo ye news no omo se wabo no nson wapawo simedu kun na asem a osi wo court no onyi wo frame Albert Kwame Nata minyimpa all produce mo ha no wo frame Albert Arabata na nsem no mo odi dusuni chama Wontumi wa ache no court there wabobo krata odahye ni benyina se na yencheche nsem mu oye MPP fo one chairman always santimemu one chairman always santimemu wo friend chairman Wontumi enze okopie eye court eye nsem a offer eye galamse hun Wontumi pe court no or tutu nano na wo hun there Wontumi ode krata kakraba kokona odahye na himem na orikin kan nsem na nsem no kokodon oye Attorney General nso nene bu bibi do na oka kire Madam Judge there bibi rekodo wo Wontumi na ntem na won hwa azekor eho na judge n oka kire eye man police a oho there ombo Wontumi ne search na man police no so man frema amfado ho na oso Wontumi ne belt na oyi na oyi de bente na odi ku fom na oso Wontumi ne benyim na otwen na ano no na asen na wohu de eye krata wa abobo de fia na ohye Wontumi ne benyini ne ntohwase na moko si de judge ne ka kire maame ne de onyi nkrata no onfi Wontumi ne ntorase. We are all pop stars. We are pop stars. We are kwa.
At least 2 administrations, and apart from that, has held a lot of other positions. So without further ado, I invite you to rev it up.
Thank you, team. Let me just clear Chairman Wontumi. And the Chairman Wontumi case, Chairman Wontumi's fate nears as court orders him to bring next witness or consider his case closed. And there's a star witness, star boy, Chairman Wontumi Kosha Dakem. And Yebusa say, na Galana Okoye, witnesses, prosecution witness for you, say, one more ukwan ana wona lead ye na wona wo se omonye galano na wo yi ano say e de ko shada kem yesi be ma body ni na nzuo ozi your honor asabri nyina ne say di polo kwaje asase no na meka che de say mene no ebe che yenua e de akube na kube ni nyini ane ate ache che ba wutu wajimitu ozi ono anko galam say na nipa na oye eyino akwa we na osi achiri atwa nechi osi obi bega so Kevin Taylor meboa asma be kan anya no kre Chairman Wontumi ko sha adaka mu na ebusa ne say oh yes why gala enkofo de o me adwuma nyina agi atum yes say o machines na ubu nnua na ubu nsuo na wutu nsuo na wutu amena esi ano de na wo ka wo ho na yes star witness kudus star boy and the star boy ko rada kem and the star boy esi ano nkofo ne say be Chairman Wontumi story achiro adwuma die na okodi ye no enkofo na ono ye o gala nyina say gala na wo ye no what they say na de na wo ka ho ka fa ho me be kire Chairman Wontumi say Chairman Wontumi jibitu Chairman Wontumi ma nche de o kan ye o say chew bodi Chairman Wontumi o say oh ma me kire oh team I'm trying to get Chairman Wontumi story oh what's going on Chairman Wontumi say tie o kan court Henry Okum PW2 didn't come to us for mining. Or see, prosecution witness number 2, no, one ba me ho for mining. Now the oyen say, Henry Okum told me he wanted to reclaim the land and plant coconut so that when it nurtures or matures, then we will share. Or see, Papa ne friend Henry Okum na Attorney General Denaba Manabeka say onime ye gala ema me ye gala no. Henry Okum ba me ho, oba me ho no, and o see obeso ye kubefuo obeso ye kubefuo into Okum no de okaje me say obesanka asase no o ma galam se wo so no ke yenye ni ye na ye ndua kube na kube ni nyini ane ache abi mi do wechi yo edia me ya erade ya go mo yankwasi afo pa I say, Henry Okum didn't come to us for mining. He told me he wanted to reclaim the land and plant coconuts so that when it matures, we will share. I say, Wangoya gala, Rokodia kube, Nakubeni Ninia, Nankomache, Aqua we kwasia penny. They say they're good to be a coconut shareholder. A buffalo. Wontumi is now a coconut shareholder. Obi agwakoto Chelsea do abofunu. What do Chelsea say coconut shareholder? You are a shareholder in coconut farm. I thought you had 3 billion to buy Chelsea. Kwasi some almost anim nyansa o. Chairman Wontumi suddenly he has become a coconut shareholder. As so much Chairman Wontumi ko jina daka mu ndeka kire Ghana for no. Also, your honor yes, Kasa, Bemansu, don't cry. Mustafa Hamid, please don't cry. Boss, your honor, and the lawyer, no, lawyer Gutajino, so afraid judge, no.
My lord, it's me.
See, owner to coconut shareholder, a buffalo. You thought to go to those Bemansu, don't cry, please don't cry. The lawyer, no. Also, my lord, Henry Okum came, and what is happening is that it is Okum is tell me. So you know, my lord. Yes, don't cry. I don't lie. Okum is a friend and is come us to do Galam say, my lawyer, I'm also wait, then the typist or car bro for now. Nipa no type it just yet. And it's Okum is come. So the Galam say is the land and Okum is say is get cocoa. As wait, let him type. Go to type. Go on. So it's Okum is bring coconut. It's Okum bring coconut where it's me chairman Wontumi. You know I am chairman. Everybody know me. MPP. Everybody knows that we are MPP. The elephant. Wait. Go on. So it's me MPP chairman and Okum is say coconut is sweet and coconut is bring investment and coconut is going to help the government MPP Ekufuado to us to know that Baumia is a president. Wait. And it's Okum is bring coconut from Burkina. So it's a coconut that is grow so that we can land and appreciation the land and reclamation. Reclamation. So wait. Is it reclamation or reclamation? Go ahead. And it's Okum is bring. So I give land and Okum is clean the land. It's also Okum is clean the land and we start grow coconut. Wait. So Okum is telling me that coconut is favorite fruit and it is make more money. So it's make more money. So we put money into reclamation and coconut farm. My honor, don't cry. The judge, the lawyer, said, don't cry. Don't cry. What's my honor? People is not like me. People is not like me. You know, Ghana, people is not like me. I say, oh, go on. Judge, just watching the spares. I say, go on. My judge, people is not like me. Don't cry. Continue. And Mr. My judge, and so it's grow the coconut, and the coconut is water, is rain, and it is wipe them away. Wait. It's what? It's wipe them away. Don't cry. And again,
is under the control of the executive. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Harun Edrisu is a courtroom practitioner, just as I am. You were a courtroom practitioner. One of the things that we were taught at the bar was to accept the decisions of the court. And when we are not happy, we should go up. And that is how we enrich the law. Let us understand that there are situations where we disagree. And even when we disagree, the language, the approach is essential. Mr. Speaker, an impression is being created that the Supreme Court of Ghana is only there to handle partisan political cases. It is not so. Mr. Speaker, if you disagree with the system, use the system to correct it. It's a matter of...
This was when Oko court in less than 12 hours, Tokonu, or didn't Sakonu Tokonu to and a Tokonu man judgment. You see, the Lojina court taker. The court is perfect. If you disagree with the court, go up. Don't make any utterances against the court. Kwasia we are 2 days ago. Judge. They have no principles. They work like pigs. They eat this, they eat this, they eat this. Later, they use shit as their dessert. That is the MPP. They are like pigs. They eat this, they eat this, they eat this. When they eat shit, they eat it as dessert. You see, yesterday, this is the same person in parliament telling us to say, Tokonu amani judgment. Or the secretary Tokonu to amana Tokonu de. In 12 hours, Tokonu amani judgment. Original parliament. Say, so court, court the best thing to do is to go up and seek for their clarification. At the end of the day, so appeal high court no menya or court to kono and saka into judge into so court cry now on sa anka the opa men sentia court and a judge no and the kwasiampenyi way a relegated Voltarian, a desperate person who wants to be accepted by people in Winneba. He's telling us say judge near kwasia. This foolish guy. No principle. He eats this, he eats this, he eats this. Or can't wait, or we are now a deep binyaguso. That is his dessert. Then he goes to beg. A dirty man. No principle. And these are the people that we see them as lawmakers. And I keep telling you, we are not going to take anything from anywhere. Their own receipts. their own receipt. Any we are not going to go anywhere. You need evidence for Bia. Every single day. Very dirty riffraffs. No principle. It would seem some people need car someone there now. Now won't wedge me because these are flip floppers. These are people who don't have principle. They just go by the shit. Whatever they eat and they get satisfied and belch, they go to sleep. Odiwe. That is the typical MPP, and that is what you just witnessed on your TV. Jimmy, sir, they think so. Obi Jimmy or Ghana because the foolish masses. JB Dankwanakaye. The foolish masses you'll be able to convince them when you are in the MPP. This is a political party that is talking about intellectuals. Not Chairman Wontumi is running as the general, the national chairman of a party. There are people who are talking for them and this whole party. Now, I mention young people now with the MPP. The ignorant ones. I'm with social media, at TikTok. No, my catcher will say, somewhere and share ya. A buy way. Yendu 2028 almost I bet twice so I could do 2058 no. Now muni na my ex-convicts. I am telling you here. My mention my dear be amunim. Emrana da Ghana no. You might think say Emrani Ghana until say Emrana bet show. But I think that some of you people don't really understand what is going on. You see this? I mean some breakdown being show. Insult. Attacking somebody's feelings. That is insult. One with TikTok, Facebook. Now, an insult is a derogatory, demeaning, or offensive statement aimed directly at a person to hurt their feelings or pride. Now, the core, it is purely an expression of opinion or contempt. 2. Legal status. In most free speech societies, like the United States, generic insults are legally protected speech. Even if they are rude or mean, they only cross into illegal territory if they constitute severe harassment or hate speech. Abayuano, Odidi president atem, and Oko Fed say Yanku president no, and so it has crossed that level of mere insult. It has entered into the hate speech. So it has entered into the illegal territory whereby you can be sued. So Obika said it is not a crime to insult president. It is not a crime, but there is a line. When you get to that line, now cross it. Now, something where it becomes severe harassment. When you cross that line, when it becomes something like a hate speech, when it is harassment, at that point, not cross the line, you can be put before court. And then I told MPP about you. You need to understand. So, Kasa, yes, so I did the attempt to for Uncle. A bit to court to them. A brantian say, Abayuan say, Munku Mahama Mame says hate speech. Or twice or can be before a year home. So it is not a mere Mahame Jimmy, Mahama Nimyan. So the Abayan or cross the line, no. It is about your with them 10 years. More TikTok, MPP in Koran, Muntina Mayas way. Man, ya 2028 in Branham, ex-convicts. Jimmy. Now, example, you are an idiot and completely incompetent. What's it?